This is how a starling can mimic sounds better
I
than
love
any
you.
animal on Earth. Because unlike parrots that use a thick tongue, the European starling possesses a highly muscularized vocal organ called a syrinx, which allows it to produce two distinct tones simultaneously. This makes them sound almost robotic, but also enables them to imitate over 20 different bird species, mammals, and even frogs in the wild. But they don't just
Who are
copy
you,
sounds
Woody Bird?
randomly because they focus on noises specific to their social environment. So inside the house,
Scrappy
pet starlings
baby.
become famous for mimicking almost any sound they hear on a regular basis, including human speech, whistles, alarms, and ringtones. Even Mozart used his own to transcribe melodies that the bird would recite back perfectly.